In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the theme in Outlook so you can personalize your workspace and make your email experience more enjoyable. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Outlook login page. Click Sign In, enter your email and password, and you'll land on your Outlook dashboard. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page and click on the gear icon. That's your settings menu. In Settings, go to the General tab, then click on Appearance. Here, you'll find the Themes option. Browse through the available themes from clean and minimal to colorful and bold. When you find one you like, simply click on it to apply. Don't forget to hit Save. This step locks in your changes so your theme stays active. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've given your Outlook a fresh, personalized look.